Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to do your own clone in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have prepared two clips in the timeline. First one is where I get out of the car on the right side and the second is on the left side. Now we need to place one video on another. So we place our second video on our second layer and also drag the audio footage on the second layer. Fit in our video tracks that our audio was completed. Now we need to stretch our video on a track. Something like this. Now we need to delete unnecessary audio parts. We press down linked selection icon and we can cut our audio. Delete parts that we don't need. It is very important that the picture was static. We go to the effects panel and search for crop effect. Drag and drop this effect on the second video. On second video I'm getting out of the car on the left side, so I need to crop the right side. To do that, in the right option we choose 50-60%. Let's see what we've got. So we got cloned ourselves. This was our first variant and now we can do second. We delete crop effect from our video. And in the opacity option we need to create the mask. Press to the pen icon and draw the mask by the hand. Don't forget about the shadows. And let's see what we have. It works out the same way. And that's all. With these two variants we can do our own clones with mask or crop effect. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.